Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to change your Instagram profile picture. It is quite easy to change, so let's go ahead and get right into the video. The first thing you want to do is to open up the Instagram app. Once you've done this, you want to go ahead and click on your profile, which is in the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, instead of going to settings, you'd want to click on Edit Profile. Here, you can change your name, username, and also add links to your profile. But you can also change your profile photo at the very top underneath your current photo. So go ahead and click that. Once you're here, you can have 5 different options. You can remove your photo and just not have one. You can take a photo just with your camera. You can choose from the photos you already have, make an avatar, or manage sync settings. So just choose whatever you'd like and click done, and you'll have a new profile for Instagram. Hope this video helps. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It helps out the channel a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.